Hi everyone. Wipro character assassination, Infosys new insurance provider, TCS variable pay updates, HDFC Bank shares, and HCL on-site employees in danger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. We will be discussing the first point regarding Wipro. What happened with the Delhi High Court and termination letter with Wipro? One of the IT employees like us was fired from Wipro stating malicious conduct, and this was put forward in the letter also, the separation letter or the letter of release. In that letter they mentioned that this employee was included in a malicious conduct code of conduct, right? So that is the reason. Now what happened at the court is that Wipro failed to provide any such evidence to establish, okay, whatever misconduct that they mentioned, malicious conduct that they mentioned in the letter of termination, okay, and that has caused a reputational harm to the IT employee, okay, and this was predicated on demonstrable act of misconduct, okay. Now that is the reason Wipro has to pay a fine of 2 lakh rupees to that particular employee. Why? Because they have done character assassination in the form of that letter that they gave to that employee, because of which the employee was not able to find new jobs, because it was clearly mentioned malicious conduct in the past company. So guys, this is very important. Even if something happens with you, please try to go and do a research about the law. What exactly have you done wrong? Or if you are not wrong, then please straight away you can go with the judiciary and the laws. Okay, next thing is coming, that is, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that. Please subscribe. Okay, the next thing that we are going to discuss is regarding investment. Okay, I'm not an investment advisor, but just a humble request to everyone that please go through this. Like, I'll pause, you can pause the video, you can go through this, and you can start to explore more about the investment opportunities, right? Investment is always a good thing. Okay, don't forget that. The next thing is regarding again Infosys, that Infosys has around 3.2 lakh employees and they have partnered with GoDigit now. Okay, so Infosys and GoDigit will be partnering, and what happens basically is that GoDigit is an insurance provider, okay, and it is backed by Canadian billionaire Prem Vatsa of Fairfax Group, okay, and they have been expanding in health insurance and employee benefit solutions. And earlier, Infosys was using national insurance, like this insurance provider, okay. Now they are going to switch to GoDigit, okay. Next thing is coming from TCS, and there is a good news for employees, that is, people, as you all know, that the level of matrix or the grade structures in TCS is Y, which is followed by C1, C2, C3, A and C3 A and B, and C4, C5 and CXOs, right? So now here TCS is going to give 100% variable pay, that is variable allowance, all for the employees up to C2 grade, okay, and employees in the C3 grade, that is A, B, C4, C5 and CXOs, all of those people, vice presidents, president, consultant, senior consultant, right? So all these people will be getting the variable pay based on the performance of their business units, okay. I hope that this point is also clear. Okay, so people, you will be getting the variable pay in this particular month, okay, in this particular July month you'll be getting the variable pay, and you'll be getting 100% variable pay if it is less than C2 grade, okay. Next thing I would want to discuss about Microsoft, but that I will discuss in the new video that will be coming live tomorrow. Okay, thank you for watching this entire video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like to this video.